Think you're strong enough for a handstand push-up? Most people fail not because they're weak, but because they're secretly wrecking their shoulders without even knowing it. Today, I'll prove you can do handstand. Before we jump in, let me ask you, have you ever seen someone kick up into a handstand and then collapse, or feel that weird pinch in the shoulders during an attempt? That's what happens when most beginners make these 3 big mistakes. Arching the back too much. Letting elbows flare out like wings. Not engaging the core at all. We'll fix all of that, but first, let's talk why these mistakes matter. Your body is like a skyscraper. The shoulders and core, that's the foundation. If the base isn't tight and aligned, the whole building wobbles. Every misaligned handstand push-up stresses the shoulders and spine, and over time, that's how injuries sneak in. But with the right mechanics, you're building strength safely and efficiently. Step 1. Hand placement. Hands should be shoulder-width apart, fingers spread wide, pressing through the fingertips. This distributes your weight and keeps the wrists safe. Step 2. Core tightness. Imagine trying to hold a plank that's also a bridge. You don't want your hips sagging or arching. Tuck your pelvis slightly and brace your abs like a solid beam. Demonstrate wrong versus right. Flared elbows, arched back, sagging hips. Step 3. Head position. Don't tuck your chin too much or crane your neck forward. Your gaze should be slightly ahead, like you're looking at the floor a foot in front of your hands. This keeps your spine neutral. Now, the kick up. Most beginners just fling their legs up and hope for the best. Don't do that. Start by practicing against a wall. Place your hands where we just set them. Kick one leg gently, then the other, so your heels rest lightly on the wall. Keep your core tight and elbows pointing forward, not out. Mini light bulb moment. If you feel your back arching immediately, pause. That's your body telling you, not ready yet. Here's where most people struggle, pressing up. Key points. Elbows should track straight, like railroad tracks. Exhale as you push up, inhale as you lower. Keep your shoulders active, not shrugged. Remember, it's not about brute strength, it's about control and alignment. Even 1 to 2 reps with perfect form beats 10 sloppy ones. D push-ups, even if you've never tried before. Once you're comfortable pressing against the wall, try lifting your heels off for a micro handstand push-up, small range first. Tip: always brace the core first, then press. Your shoulders will thank you, and your body starts learning balance naturally. Rhetorical question: ever wonder why gymnasts make it look effortless? It's because they've mastered alignment first, not power. Okay, recap. Hands shoulder width, fingers spread. Core tight, hips neutral. Elbows forward, not out. Controlled kick up, wall if needed. Press with exhale, keep alignment. Now, here's your challenge. Try 10 flawless reps right now, or as many as you can safely. Notice how your shoulders and core engage differently compared to your old attempts. Handstand push-ups aren't just about strength, they're about control, focus, and consistency. Keep practicing, follow these steps, and I promise, you'll go from zero to legend. Hit subscribe if you want the full 30-day handstand challenge next.